If you stay in your comfort zone, that's where you will fail. You will fail in your comfort zone. Success is not a comfortable procedure. It is a very uncomfortable thing to attempt. So you got to get comfortable being uncomfortable if you ever want to be successful.
Alright, hey loves, it's your girl Amachundi and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to have you on board with me. Well, if this is your first time seeing this beautiful face or your first time joining, you are welcome. Welcome to the family, and do the needful. Don't forget to subscribe. Well, today I'll be doing something differently. As you can tell by the title of the video, I will be sharing with you the roadmap to success. All of us are born to win. Like, failure is not an option at all. You can't afford to fail. Let me start by mentioning some of the major factors that brings about failure. We have lack of self-confidence, low self-esteem, laziness, procrastination, lack of serious goal in life, lack of faith in God, influence of bad company, and lack of self-discipline. Repeated failure can make some people conclude that they can never make it in life, and so fail to make necessary effort towards making it in life. So loves, at this point, if you're getting value so far and if you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, okay? And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Yeah. So guys, back to the main topic of today, the roadmap to success. The truth every success-oriented person must understand is that achieving success is a possibility, but not just a possibility to other people, but to you in particular. God is interested in making you achieve all your goals and bringing your dreams to reality. So all you need to do is to follow the roadmap that lead you straight to success. And what is this roadmap? First, have a purpose. Your purpose is the picture of your destination, your goal and aim in life. Then you must have a plan, which is your how to reach your goal strategy. There is the need for you to be focused. The road to success can be lonely at times, but whatever happens, keep going, like keep moving. A lot of distraction will come your way if you don't remain focused. You may lose track. You also need determination. Success does not come easily. There are often some difficulties and discouragement. It will take determination on your part to move on. You need drive, energy, enthusiasm, and a positive attitude. Above all, there cannot be success without the combination of hard work, trust, and dependence on God. As you start off on this road, you have the guarantee that you will arrive at the doorstep of success. I wish you all the best. I wish you success in your career. I wish you success in all you do, and above all, God will see you through. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. And also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share with your friends. You don't know who you might be helping, so tell a friend to tell a friend and to tell a friend. And guys, I will see you in my next